Hey guys, this is an installation tutorial onto installing Mario Kart GP on your Wii. I included the link in the description for a text tutorial, so if you don't want to follow me, you're more than welcome to go ahead to follow the text. So let's get started. Alright guys, you're going to need a few things in order to install Mario Kart GP on your Wii. So here's what you need. Alright, first off, you need an homebrew enabled Wii, a Mario Kart GP or GP2 ISO, Quadforce enabler WAD, a WAD manager application on your Wii's homebrew channel, a WAD channel of Mario Kart GP, and an SD card.
Monkey Kong! Shot an item! Failed!
Alright guys, I need you to put the Quadforce WAD into your SD card. So we're going to make a new folder. Name it WADs. Drag the Quadforce WAD into your WADs folder. Alright. Now I need you to make another folder called games. Alright, so once you extract your Mario Kart ISO, make sure the folders look exactly like these, whichever game you extracted. So basically this is Mario Kart GP1 and this is Mario Kart GP2 if you happen to get both at the same time. However, if you want to keep both ISOs inside the same SD card, you're going to have to swap up the game IDs. For example, once you first extract it, it's going to say game ISO. Basically, I repeat, you will not be able to play this game if it's under this label format. What you got to do is, basically, you got to name it the correct title format. If not, the Wii's not going to read it. So you only could do one at a time. So if you want to play Mario Kart GP2, you keep Mario Kart GP2 right here. And in the previous folder, you keep this as game ISO. If you want to play Mario Kart GP1, then you just rename it and call it Mario Kart GP ISO. Then you will switch this into just game ISO. Alright. Unfortunately, I can't show this on PC, but for PC users, you're gonna have to download this application for your desktop or wherever to basically enable it to basically you gotta have like an ID changer. If you can't change the ID of your game to match these, then you won't be able to, the Wii would not be able to read the format at all. So yeah.
Luigi.
Alright guys, congratulations, you officially installed Mario Kart GP on your Wii. If you happen to run into any trouble while installing Mario Kart GP on your Wii, just leave a comment below and we'll try to get back to you when we can. If that doesn't work, try to message us, we'll try to figure out a solution. And I'm not gonna try to hold any promises, but we'll try. Oh yeah, don't forget to like and subscribe. We'll be bringing more games for you guys. We're trying to bring a bunch of Mario Kart GP gameplay and all that. So yeah, check out our annotations on the side of our video for more gameplay and hopefully some more future 3DS games too. So peace.
Attack! Donkey Kong evades the attack. What skill? Donkey Kong! Rivals are left completely in the dust.